Family Farms in Blairsville, Georgia. I'll leave the link in the description, giving you some information. Let's go check it out. Little dining area.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like they have some food here sometimes. Let's go and check it out. 7M Family Farms, Blairsville, Georgia.
She doesn't like the interstates that much. It doesn't really bother me all that much. I've been riding my whole life.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really bother me, but it bothers her. She doesn't like the high speeds because you get hit by something. Maybe just a little.
The mandarin oranges over there that I got, they're organic as well, and them things are super. I don't know if you like them or not. They're seedless. They're $2 a bag.
It's all fresh, farm grown
Maybe some
produce.
if you like to have
We
some.
always encourage buy locally.
Are these plums?
Them are plums, yes.
They're organic.
No, they're not.
Raisins.
And I'm not sure. They brought some of them in while I was gone.
Okay.
I'm not sure about them.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Hello dear, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
I'll put this on my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Kind of getting some of the buy locally.
Yeah.
Get some of your different things here.
Got a nice bunch of the spinach behind you.
Yeah, I would definitely try to get some of that. That's this right here, right?
Got that. Got spinach here. It's wilted down because I cut it this morning, but it's fresh bunches.
Yeah, we like the fresh spinach and salads and everything,
Yeah, it's
so
awesome, yeah.
I definitely gonna have to get some.
Fresh hoop cheese from Wisconsin. Old-fashioned
That'll
style.
work. Say hi.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, I'm doing all the different places in Blairsville, Hiawassee,
Yeah.
Young Harris, Blue Ridge.
Yeah, everything we do here is all grown organically.
That's what we like, so
Yeah.
we're always about local.
Now, some of the citrus and that is not ours, of course, but some of it we bring in. We try to bring in as organic as we can.
Gotta eat healthy.
That's what we like the best.
Gotta eat
Pass
healthy.
that savings along to all of our customers.
I love this almond soap. I bought it before. I absolutely love it.
Hello.
How are you?
Doing good.
Good.
Yes, I have some.
Come
Yep.
check it out, guys.
This salmon
Buy
is
locally,
phenomenal.
organic, fresh farm, 7M Family Foods. I'll put the link in the description in the box. If you like my channel, hit the like button, subscribe. We're going to have plenty of more places all around town. See y'all again soon.